Hello everyone, how y'all doing today? I am Lonnie and we're going to talk a little bit about eBay, specifically feedback. So if you watch this channel a lot, you'll know that I sell on eBay, and quite a few of my sales go out to viewers. And when viewers buy stuff, I'll typically try to thank them during the video wherever I show the stuff getting shipped out. I really do try to, and most people will attach a message to the actual purchase. Hey, I'm a viewer, whatever, and they'll put a message behind it, and then I'll thank them during the next video. Everything's good. Well, sometimes the buyer doesn't put the message with the purchase, and they'll send a separate message, and I may or may not catch it. Like, I'm not very good with messages. Sometimes I see them, sometimes I don't. Well, this time I did not see it. And this is the feedback from my Garage Flips account. This is public view, so you can't see the actual user. I'm not trying to like out the user or anything. I'm not mad at them or anything. But I did want to share this, take this opportunity to share this feedback. Wish he would have read my viewer message, and they gave me a neutral. So is a neutral a big deal? Not really. I don't think so. Although I don't like having it. Not for something that didn't happen as a result of the actual eBay transaction. So I want to get rid of this thing. I want this thing off of my eBay account. I want to see if eBay is going to take this off of there for me. Let's find out. I'm going to give them a call. Okay, so I found the item. I went through the help thing. It gave me a number. It says estimated wait time 1 minute, and it gives me this code. And so I think the thing that a lot of people do when they contact eBay or any other customer service type person, you have to get the customer service person on your side. You have to be very friendly to them no matter what, if you're trying to get something out of them. So I'm gonna try. I don't always remember that myself. That is the key to getting what you want, though, is to get them on your side. So let's see how good of a job I can do of getting them on my side. All right, let's give them a call. Yes. Why is it cutting out?
Sorry, I still didn't get that. Let me pass you to an eBay teammate.
Hi, this is Blake from eBay. May I please have your first and last name?
Hey, my name is Lonnie.
Alright, thank you for that. So how can I help in your eBay account?
What did you say your name was again? I'm sorry.
My name is Blake.
Blake. Okay, hey Blake. Blake, I got a neutral feedback on my eBay account that I wanted you guys to take a look at and see if you could possibly remove for me.
No worries, I'll go and take a look at it here and see what we could do about it.
Okay, great. And I could tell you, do you have it pulled up already, Blake?
Yeah, I actually have it here, sir.
Okay, so do you see the one I'm referring to? It says, wish he would have read my viewer message.
Yes.
Okay, so quick backstory. I have a YouTube channel, and on the YouTube channel, I cover buying and selling things on eBay. And a lot of times viewers will buy things from me, and then I will pull the orders during another video, and I will thank them for it by name. And this particular viewer bought something. They didn't put a message with the purchase. You know how you could put a message whenever you make your payment?
Yes, sir.
They did not do that, but what they did was they sent a message later. But I didn't see the message, okay? So their neutral feedback is because they were disappointed that I didn't put a message to them in my YouTube video. So, which is a failing on my part. However, I don't feel like it has anything to do with the actual eBay transaction, if that makes any sense.
Yeah, no worries. I'll go and take a look at it here on my end. I can definitely do something about this.
Okay. Thank you, Blake.
All right, down the line, I'll be putting in hold for a quick minute or two.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So far, this has been a very fast call without a lot of rigmarole, I gotta say. I got on the line within a minute. That hold music, though.
Hello, sir. Thank you for patiently waiting and sorry for that long hold. Okay, so I'm getting this done, sir. Okay, just bear with me. I'll be putting in hold again for a quick minute or two. Okay.
Okay. Yep. Thank you, Blake.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for patiently waiting and sorry for that long hold. Okay, so that has been addressed. So within a few minutes, you'll be able to see there that that negative feedback has been removed, sir.
Okay, so the neutral feedback is going to be taken away?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks a lot, Blake. I really appreciate it.
Thank you as well, sir. And have a great one, sir.
Hey, you too. Have a good day, man. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so yeah, that went really well, which is actually, there are a lot of bad things about eBay that we could talk about, but a good one is that any time that I've gotten feedback that I felt was unjust and I've called eBay, they've always taken care of it for me every single time. There are some situations where I've gotten neutral or negative feedback, and honestly, a lot of times I've deserved it. So, I don't fight those usually, but yeah, I'm happy with this result. And I was looking around. I'm not going to out the person that did this. The initials you saw a moment ago, they aren't the actual initials of that account. They actually changed the letters. They put the letter ... letter, but that doesn't tell you anything. Like, the letters are not even correct, because I'm looking at their feedback right now. They're not the same. But I will tell you, it's interesting that their last 3 feedbacks on their account are negative. The last 3. Fake Beats that were broken, do not buy. Fake Beat headphones. I received a non-Beats headphone in an original Beats carton case. Refunded, but, and then it says something else. So 2 fake Beats claims with negative feedbacks. And then finally, the third one, selling fake shoes with a fake receipt. And those are for some Adidas Yeezys. So yeah, their last 3 transactions, or last 3 feedbacks, were negative. So yeah, there we go. That was it. Just trying to be short, to the point, friendly, and it got it done. Now, this wasn't a hard one, but I just wanted to share it with y'all. Oh, very quick follow-up. This is my second account, Garage Flips, and I waited about 2 minutes and refreshed the screen. The neutral is gone. So I've got 15 positive in the past month. This is my second account, by the way. I have no negatives or neutrals in the past 6 months, and I have 1 that happened between here and here. So yeah, that was easy. Thanks for watching.